In this video, I will tell you how you can change the clothes of your images using Focus AI tool. And best of all, it's a free tool. So let me tell you step by step how you can use it. Before further proceeding, like the video and subscribe to my channel. First of all, search by writing Focus Collab in the Google search bar. After entering the search result page, click on the first link named Google Collab and enter the Focus Collab page. Here you have to click on the Run button. You may see a warning, this notebook was not authored by Google, click Run anyway. It may take a minute or two to load everything up. After a while you will see written in the last line app started successful. Here you have to click on this link. After clicking on the link you will enter this page. Here first you will tick on the option of input image. Click on the in Paint or Out Paint button, then scroll down and select Modify Content from here. Click to Upload button and select the image you want to edit. In the prompt bar, you will type your prompt. As I want to make his coat color white, I am writing white coat here. Next, we will select the brush tool from here. We can decrease and increase its size. We will then drag the brush over the clothes of the image to cover it well. Tick the Advanced Option button. Under the Settings tab in the Performance section you will see three options. We will select Quality. Then you can select any aspect ratio of your choice. Next we will select the image number. You can specify how many images you want. Under Negative Prompt, you can say what you don't want in the picture, or just leave it blank. Uncheck the Random option. In the Style tab you will see many styles. Similarly in the Model tab you will see many models, but if you do not know much about them, then leave them as they are. Hit the Generate button to start the processing. You can see that after some time it has generated our first of 4 images. Now it has ready our second image. In a short while, it has generated our all 4 images. You can see that he has presented the white coat in a different way in each picture, which is definitely looking very realistic. You can save these images to your hard drive by right-clicking them and selecting Save as Image. Now we try the same process on another image. First we upload the image we want to modify. In the prompt box we will enter our prompt. Now we will select the brush, and move it over the area of our image where we want to change the clothes. Next, if we want to make some changes in our settings, we will do it from here. Hit the Generate button to start the processing. You can see that in a short time, again this AI tool has generated 4 best images for us as per our prompt. As we wrote in our prompt, black leather jacket, so it has generated all 4 of our images with different black leather jackets are worn. You can change different clothes in your same image with the help of this AI tool. And of course this AI tool gives very good result. I hope you've learned new things from this video. If so, I expect you to like the video and share it with your friends. This will give me motivation to make the next video.
In a world where digital innovation is king, how can you stand out from the crowd and create products that truly make an impact? Introducing 1000 digital products ideas to create and sell today. Are you ready to unlock your creative potential and turn your ideas into profitable digital products? This comprehensive guide is your ticket to success. You'll find a treasure trove of 1,000 carefully curated digital product ideas across various niches. From ebooks to online courses, software to graphics, there's something for everyone. Each idea in the book comes with a detailed description and tips on how to bring it to life. You'll discover strategies for market research, product creation, pricing, and marketing. It's a step-by-step roadmap to success. Don't let your ideas gather dust. With 1,000 digital products ideas to create and sell today, you'll be equipped with the tools and inspiration to turn your passion into profit. But wait, there's more. As a bonus, you'll also gain access to our exclusive ChatGPT prompt, and all this is just $4.